In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and add voiceover in CapCut on PC. If you need to lay down a clean narration, record commentary, or add a spoken explanation directly over your video, CapCut makes the process very simple once you know where everything is. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to open the recording tools, choose the right microphone settings, and capture your voice straight onto the timeline so it stays aligned with your video. To get started, open your CapCut project and look at the timeline area near the bottom of the screen. Right above your video and audio tracks, you'll see a narrow shortcut bar that runs horizontally across the workspace. Move your cursor toward the middle right section of that bar and click the small microphone icon. As soon as you click it, CapCut opens its built-in recording panel on your screen. This is the control area you'll use for your voiceover, so it's a good idea to pause for a second and make sure you can clearly see the options inside it before moving on. Once the recording panel is open, the next step is to adjust your microphone settings so your audio comes through clearly. On the right side of the interface, inside the recording settings area, find the drop-down labeled Input Device. Click it and choose the microphone you want to use. This is especially important if you have more than one audio device connected, because selecting the wrong one can lead to no sound being recorded or the wrong mic being used. Right below that, make sure echo reduction is enabled and also turn on mute project audio. These options help keep your recording clean by reducing the chance of speaker sound feeding back into your microphone while you talk. That means less background bleed and a much clearer final voice track. Now you're ready to record. Move your timeline playhead to the exact point where you want your narration to begin. This part matters because CapCut will place the recording right at that position, helping keep your voice synced with the visuals. After that, go back to the microphone panel and click the large red record button. You'll see a 3-second countdown which gives you a moment to prepare. When the countdown ends, begin speaking clearly into your microphone. As you record, CapCut creates a new green audio clip directly on the timeline. When you're done, click the red button again to stop recording. Your voiceover will be saved in place and synced with your video sequence, ready for the next part of your edit. And that's it. You're all set.